Hello, welcome to another lesson of Adana English. Today we are going to cover our next lesson as we promised. So today before start my lesson about İş Bankası, I would also recommend you to learn about Ziraat Bank, some other banks. They also have online website so that you can learn from here. So this is Ziraat Bank, and you should go to the Google, and if you wanted to search İş Bankası, you could type on the address bar icbankaclar.com.tr. This is also good to learn because some of students might not have enough knowledge of getting access to internet, so I showed you a little bit. Anyways, we are going to cover our own İş Bankası web page for learning vocabulary and then learning some banks, alright, about the sector. Okay, if you want to visit my website, I would say like adanaenglish.com. This is pretty easy. Okay, Adana, which is the city of Turkey. .com. Yeah, it has a series of tutorials that is absolutely free, so you can learn here. And then also I have blog, which blog is adanaenglishblogspot.com. Okay, so adanaenglish.blogspot.com.tr. In this page you could also learn banking English tutorials. Okay, this is my blog, so every day I would put some new fresh lessons to learn. Okay, and move on to the page. Okay, last time we were learning about like expat banking. This time I'm going to teach you some important vocabulary and also some sentences about this non-term deposits, okay, and then term deposits. Okay, first, before learning this, we have to know a little bit about what is deposit. Okay, deposit. Okay, it's coming in Chinese. What is this stupid? Deposit. No, it's changing to Turkish. We don't want that. We just want English. Okay. Deposit. Okay, so deposit. What's this? Deposit. So deposit is English language. Tunquen in Turkish. Mevduat. Okay, so deposit is you deposit something or you store something. Also, you could also say it is storing. Storage, mağaza, store. Okay, you could just tank or put something like warehouse. Okay, deposit. So we have two sorts of deposits here. By opening a time deposit, okay, time deposit in a currency of your choice. So another like a currency of your choice. Okay. That means para birimi, I think it's currency. Okay, so your choice, whichever currency you want to use, TL, or you want to use dollar, or you want to use euro. Okay, euro, or you want to use yuan, maybe like a Chinese money. And then you want to reserve, rupee or like anything like pound. It is your choice. That is called currency. Okay, currency. So it's widely used in banking sector or dollar exchange around the world. Okay, so by opening a time deposit, okay, you can earn risk-free returns. here we say risk-free means you don't have any risk. Okay, this is called risk-free. Risk-free. Risk-free. Risks. Okay. A lot of things can be called something free. Okay. This is for risk-free, so no risk returns. Okay, return means your money would be returned safely. Okay, so another vocabulary here to learn returns. Okay, döner. Okay, so dönüş. Okay, I returned home late. Eve geç döndüm. Alright, so I returned home late. It's return. So he returned my money yesterday, for example. So yesterday he returned my money. That means he gave back my money. Gave my money back, if you like. So this is for returning. And then I don't wanna go back to this more because it has more related links to learn. We were gonna learn it later. Okay, vadeli mevduat. Okay, term deposit. Okay, term deposit. And look at this next section, non-term deposit. Non-term deposit. What is this? Sigara vadeli mevduata. It has nothing to do with things like this. Okay, so non-term means it is like opposite of this term deposit. Okay, this is different. Okay, by opening a demand account at each bank, you could access and manage your money whenever you want. Here we have to demand. Let's look at demand. What is demand? Look at our picture. This person needs something, so he has demand. So he came to the store, he buys stuff, so he has demand. So this is all demand. So consumers have demand towards products. That's a demand. Okay, so demand here is increasing. For example, DFMAND. So like it's going up here. Okay, this is demand. So this is maybe consumer demand, whatever demand. Alright, so this is demand. I don't know, I think it is demand is in Turkish like ihtiyaç. Ihtiyaç, demand, ihtiyaç, talep. Yeah, talep for goods, ürün or something like this. Okay, this is demand. Okay, good. So you can access and manage your money whenever you want. Here, access. This is also, quite widely used vocabulary. Access. So access denied. For example, if you play like video games or any games, so you cannot go in. So access denied for user. Access denied. This term has been banned. Access denied. Credentials incorrect. Look at this one. So you don't have enough credentials in any bank, so you cannot access. So access denied. Okay, so I don't have, for example, you could also use I don't have access to whatever thing. So I don't have access to this city, for example, so you cannot enter the city. Maybe you might have some illegal issues, I don't know. So you can use this example. Alright, so manage your money whenever you want it. Okay, so today we have learned like a deposit, we have learned like a currency. Currency means like TL or dollar, whatever, and risk-free and return, something like this. So you are free to open up your Google Translate, and it has pronunciation and this dictionary quite good. Okay,